up?
Hi.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Nice. So there's a hearse on Rocky Mountain RaceWeek. This is pretty awesome.
Yeah, we got our car number because of the VIN 666.
The VIN has 666 on it?
Yep, so that was the inspiration for the car number.
No way. So tell me about the power plant here. What do you got?
This is actually my old 383, just stroked LS6. It's actually out of my old Ultra 4 car. Threw an F2 on it, big water to air, 4L80. Put a bunch of money in a 4L80, hoping that it survives.
I keep looking over here and I can't get over how wide this thing is.
It's big.
It's got to be like a foot wider than a normal car in the cage at least. Like it's just crazy.
Riding with Royce, it's like you're trying not to rub elbows in here. Like, you got tons of room.
What's your goal with it this week? What do you think it'll run?
I'm hoping, I'll be ecstatic if it'll run 9s. License passes last night. Kind of looks like it might get there. So, we'll see.
Any guesses how much power it is?
I ran out of coil on the dyno and it was about 910 or so, but we couldn't pull it past 6 grand. Ran out of coil, so I actually threw the smart coils on it. It was revving up good last night. Had
beautiful.
No issues.
So it might be somewhere north of 1,000 horsepower.
I think it's capable of it if I turn the blower up more.
Yeah.
But we just want to make it live.
Yeah, you got to take it easy. We got 1,000 miles to drive.
To be honest with you, even if it runs 10s, hell, 11s, just to be able to go do this for the week with the family.
Oh yeah.
That's what it's about.
My favorite part is your seat in the back. That's awesome. Well, cool. We can't wait to see the hearse on the road. It's gonna be a good road trip car.
I hope so. So far, it's been pretty rock solid on the highway.
Yeah.
That 4L80, you just hit lockup and watch the tranny temp drop.
Oh, you're gonna love that. Well, good luck this week.
Thanks.
Nice. He's officially got a 10-second hearse. So, how's it feel to have a 10-second hearse?
I think it's probably a 9.
Yeah.
I let out just before the line like an idiot.
That's all right.
It bounced off the rev limiter on the 2-3 shift. I got to change that up a little bit. But,
well, you're going to learn a lot this week, I'm sure.
I mean, that was the first time it's been down the whole track, well, most of the whole track under full power. So
you're going to run your 9 tonight or tomorrow? Or, I'm sorry, 2 days?
Yeah, probably in 2 days. I mean, for now, all the work we've done, I'm good with one run. We can go enjoy this thing as a family, you know, go have a nice drive through the mountains tomorrow.
Just cruise it.
And, you know, everything feels good. I'll pull the data, make sure nothing's funky going on, and
perfect.
We'll head out tomorrow.
Look good.
Cruise some hills.
Hell yeah. Nice.
It's fun.
Well, we'll see you in the mountains tomorrow.
Right on. Thanks.
Good luck.
I heard you had a pretty eventful day yesterday.
It was actually pretty uneventful until we got to the hotel.
What happened?
During the drive, we started hearing it just on steady cruise. You could hear the gears start making noise.
Just whining a little bit?
It started whining. It got worse and worse and worse. And I knew we had to do something about it. So got to the hotel, tore it apart. Ended up finding bad bearings that started letting the gears wear all nasty.
Gotcha.
One of my buddies just happened to be like 2 miles from the hotel, came over to the hotel, gave me a ride all the way back up to Fort Collins to grab another chunk from Kelly Harvey. Took that, went to my shop, tore both of them apart, and then figured out I didn't have enough parts between the two to make a good one. Then in the meantime, Kevin Guthrie lives in Parker, so he just went home to stay for the night. He had a brand new chunk ready to go. Met us back at the hotel and we threw it back in, and here we are. Without the racing family, we wouldn't be sitting here right now. So
that's pretty awesome. What are you hoping to do today, number-wise? It's a little bit higher elevation, I believe.
I mean, I'd be happy with another low 10.
Gotcha. Okay.
I mean, that 10-2 in Pueblo was the first time this thing's been wide open from end to end on the track. So
Really?
first time full pass down the track ever.
So another low 10 you'd be happy with?
I'd be happy with it.
All
I mean, I'd love to have a 9 out of it, but I'm just happy to be here and just have fun with the family for the week. Do what it does.
Awesome. All right, man. Well, good luck today.
Thanks.
We'll see you up the line.
Right on.
.47 and 136 for the Hearse.
Pass number 2 down.
Yeah.
You gonna call it good or are you gonna make another one?
I'm good with it. I mean, for being a brand new car, low 10s on a 22-foot long car, I'm good
It's
with
22 feet, I didn't know that.
it. Bumper to bumper is 22 feet, not even counting the chute. So
That's great. Cool.
But
Good to see
I'm
it.
happy with it.
Good to
We're
see it
just-
make it down to 1320 again.
Oh yeah, we're gonna call it good and see what Royce is doing, and then we'll probably get on the road. And,
Not too bad.
Sweet. I wanna meet you guys on the road sometime this week. I wanna
Oh,
see
yeah.
this thing go down the road.
I thought that was you guys when we came out of the Royal Gorge. I saw
It might have been
van,
Fred,
but-
the minivan.
Oh yeah, because it was the van. So
Cool. We'll enjoy the drive tomorrow.
right on. Thanks.
See ya.
1446 to 7 for the truck. Hearses might haul the dead, but I'm pretty sure this one's going to wake the dead with how loud that is. For the truck, 836 with a 6.
He's happy. There's the pass you were looking for.
That was better. We had to knock it on his butt, but
Yeah.
wasn't a 9, but I'm alright with the 10-2. Started mile an hour out the top though, almost 140.
I was down there on the top end. It was moving.
Yeah, you could feel it in third gear.
It didn't look right.
Nah. Too big.
Big brick flying by.
Too big to be pulling that.
Exactly. Well, maybe we'll see you on the road.
Yeah, I try to be ready beforehand since like
That shouldn't be hard.
this is just street mode right here.
What all do you change over?
There's my conversion.
Okay. Pull the belt.
That's it.
Naturally aspirated now.
Now it runs like 550 horse.
So bad. See you in Julesburg.
Right on. Thanks.
So I've been trying to run into the Hearse along the road so I can hop in for a ride and see what this thing's all about. And we're driving down this pitch black road that you can see here, and we zoom right past it. It was creepy as hell because, as you can see, you can't see it. Well, I hear it. Oh, there it is. There's the Hearse. It's super creepy out here. It's perfect. Alright. Oh, there's so much room. What's up? How are you guys doing? Just cruising.
For 800 miles?
was it?
It was a little loud. It's not as loud as Leroy, that's for sure. But look at all this room.
You got all the leg room in the world.
For the dash, and then you can barely get out the window. It's pretty relaxing. I mean, it had a little lumbar support, and no, it's nice.
What was the number?
10.6 at 134.5.
Okay.
Oh, young
Okay.
buck's walking.
We didn't know if it was 10.6 or 10.16. We couldn't hear.
10.6.
10.16 we've been pretty excited.
Oh yeah, it spun again.
Gotcha.
It was doing pretty good at Pueblo and Bandimere, and it seems so far Kearney and here have an issue. It's about 100 feet. It just likes to light them off.
Oh damn.
I think when the boost finally comes up, it's just spinning it. But
You gonna keep running it a couple more times today?
I don't know. We'll see what Royce does. Man, we're here just to have fun. I'm having fun with it, so
That's fair.
try to make it through the week. Brand new build. I think that's a pretty good accomplishment in itself. So
Oh yeah.
we'll see what he wants to
We'll
do.
see what happens. If you run again, we'll see you up there, man.
Right on.
Good
Thanks.
luck.
$1,320 more feet to go.
Hopefully
Almost
more.
done.
Hopefully more.
Yeah, hopefully make a lot of passes today.
Yeah, I'm. Now
Bring
we
some more
made it.
pulleys.
No, because I knew better than that. We had some at the shop, and I'm like, I better not do that.
You got a laptop?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Good.
Got the laptop. Started actually trying to make a little more adjustments on the shocks and see if we can get it to stay a little better.
You're not leaving until you're on a 9. I'll come back tomorrow if we need to.
Right. So I don't know. We were watching some of the video, and it looks like it's rebounding too fast, and the bag's getting it bouncing.
Well, our video tile needs to say 9-second Hearse, so I'm just saying.
We're gonna give it all we got. So
Today's your day. Every once in a while I get a tailwind here. It keeps switching, so. But it's the weather's way nicer than it's supposed to be.
it's good. My uncle's coming from Fort Collins up north. He said it was raining up there. So
Really?
hopefully it stays.
Yeah, I think we'll be good. You never know here, but.
Yeah, 5 minutes it'll all change.
All right.
Sweet.
9s.
God, man, I hope so.
You shook on it.
We're gonna do our best.
Good luck.
Thanks.